Hello everybody, Dr. Bryan here. Wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about your feet and how important they are to your health. So 27 years ago when I started in practice, I was noticing that people weren't holding their adjustments as well as they should because their feet were most of the time what's called pronating, which is where the ankles turn in and the actual arch starts to flatten. This leads to many problems in the feet, such as bunions and heel spurs, plantar fasciitis, and that sort of thing. But it also causes problems in the knees, hips, and back. You know, without a good foundation, you're going to have problems all the way up the structure, just like a house that's built without a level foundation. So we started 27 years ago recommending orthotics to people. Well, when I referred out for the orthotics, people were coming back and telling me that they were paying $600 to $800, sometimes even more for orthotics. And so I didn't like that for my patients. So I started learning how and taking courses on how to create orthotics for people. And now, the last 27 years, we've handmade orthotics for people. And they're a very good tool to help you maintain not only your foot health, but your spine health, your knee health, your hip health as well. So we recommend that people use them, and we actually have a orthotic that we recommend, and I hand make these for our patients based on their own needs, because everybody's feet are different. So these are an interesting product because we can heat this product, we can mold it to the foot, we can then cool it off and it will harden to that foot the way we want it corrected. Now, the best thing about this one is if we have a person with a really bad foot, we don't want to do the total correction at once. So we do a little bit of correction at a time, then we can reheat the product, remold it as many times as we need to make sure that it's fit properly for that patient. Sometimes it's just a one-time fitting that we make. Sometimes we have to do a few to make sure that we get the arch to where we want it and the support where we want it and do it in a comfortable way for the patient. Because if you do the whole correction at once, a lot of times that creates pain for the patient as they're going through progression of getting better with their foot. So these are the orthotics that we recommend for people now. We make them for them, custom made, and we do it at a very inexpensive price compared to the other people in town where like some good feet store and that sort of thing, or a podiatrist, you get it done. And we normally charge, I think it's just under $250 for the orthotic, but this month for July, we're actually going to do it $50 off for our patients. So we want everybody to be able to benefit from having a good set of orthotics in your shoes. You know, you're not made to walk on these hard surfaces around your house or asphalt or concrete without proper support, because you're not made to walk on them. You're made to walk on grass. That's why our foot has that arch in it, because it's made to push off of that kind of natural surface. It's not made to walk on these other surfaces. We also recommend that people wear the orthotics even in the house because of the hardwoods and that sort of thing. You're not supposed to walk on those barefoot. So actually, I'm like Mr. Rogers. I come home and change out of my regular shoes and put on my house shoes and put my orthotics in so that I can have the benefit of a healthy feet, a healthy knees, hips, and spine all the time. And that's what we recommend for our patients. So if you have any questions, give our office a call, 614-436-3870. We'll be glad to take care of you and fit you for your own set of orthotics. Take care, have a great day, and happy 4th of July to everybody. Bye.